Hey there, I'm David Day with Gator Frameworks. Let's take a look at Frameworks' large, flat panel video monitor display stands. These stands are designed as a portable option to mount TVs or monitors and are built out of heavy-duty steel with aluminum housing. They come in two versions, a standard model and a deluxe model. The standard monitor display stand raises manually and stays at the height you want by tightening the comfort grip knob. It also includes a notched safety pin that is designed to stay in place for extra security. The deluxe model includes piston lift assistance, which raises the stand automatically using an internal gas piston. This can be locked into your preferred height using the knob, and because of the piston lift assist, you'll have no worries of the stand lowering when you don't want it to. Both models can mount displays horizontally or vertically. They'll hold screens up to 65 inches and weighing up to 100 pounds, and adjust between 45.5 inches and 72 inches in height. A universal VESA mounting bracket is included, which is compatible and adjustable for sizes between 100 by 100 and 640 by 400 millimeters. And what I like about these stands is that they have 4 legs, which provide more support and stability than a tripod. The legs extend easily by loosening the comfort grip knob and tighten securely in place. Red safety trim near the rubber feet are included for added visibility in low light environments, while a clip is included that attaches to the legs for cable organization. The fact that these stands are sturdy and portable make them a great option for bringing your TVs and monitors anywhere, whether that's a trade show or business presentation or even your own patio or tailgating party. Thanks for watching.